Hello everyone, welcome to the channel UMathStu. Today we'll solve two word problems. The first one is a very simple word problem related to the product of numbers. The second one is a word problem related to age. Let us start with the first problem. Problem 1. Jack has selected a number that when multiplied by 4 equals the product of 3 and 12. What is Jack's number? Let the Jack's number be x. Now 4 times x, since the question says the number when is multiplied by 4, so we multiplied that number by 4 equals the product of 3 and 12. That means 3 multiplied by 12. So we get on the right side it is 36, and in the left side 4 times x is 4x. So from 4x equal 36, we get x equals 36 divided by 4, and we get x as 9. So Jack's number is 9. This is the solution of the first problem. Problem number 2. The sum of the ages of Sam and Pat is 32. 4 years ago, Sam was twice as old as Pat. How old is Pat now? Let Pat is x years old now. So Sam is 32 minus x years old now, because their age together is 32. If we subtract the age of Pat from 32, we get the current age of Sam. So we get Sam's age as 32 minus x. So 4 years ago, we have to subtract 4 from both Pat's current age and Sam's current age. So Pat's age was x minus 4 in 4 years ago, and Sam's age was, from this age 32 minus x, we have to subtract 4 years. So if we simplify this one, we get 32 minus x minus 4. From here, if we arrange, we get 32 minus 4 minus x, and 32 minus 4 is 28 minus x years. This is the Sam's age 4 years ago, and this is the Pat's age 4 years ago. And the question says 4 years ago, Sam was twice as old as Pat. So we get Sam's age, which is 28 minus x, equals twice the age of Pat, means 2 times the age of Pat in 4 years ago. So in the right side we get 2 times x minus 8, and if we take all the numbers from right to left, we get 2x minus 8, and from left to right we get 28 minus x. Then if we take minus x in the left side, it becomes plus x, and if we take this minus 8 to the other side, we get plus 8. So 2x plus x is 3x, equals 28 plus 8 equals 36. So from here we get x equals 36 divided by 3, and x equals 12. So Pat is 12 years old now, because since we get the value of x, and we consider this one was as Pat's current age. So the question asks how old is Pat now, and we get the value of x, means we get the current age of Pat. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see in the next video. Thank you everyone.